Hi dears, good morning. How are you? Fine. Okay, in the last class we talked about addition of 1, 2, 3 digit numbers with a 4-digit number. Okay, then I think all of you learned it very well. Am I right? Okay, then listen. Now I will show you some other numbers. Okay, listen here. Can you see some numbers here? Then first 4,000, this is a 4-digit number. Next 3,000, this is also a 4-digit number. Then 6,000, this is also a 4-digit number. Okay, then listen. Now we want to add a 3-digit number with 4,000. A 3-digit number with 4,000. Okay, then listen here. Where I write 250, look at here. Why don't I write it here? What is the reason for that? Yes, when we add any number, we must check its place value. What is place value? Okay, do you know what is place value? What is place value? Yes, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands and others. Okay, now listen, which is the place of ones? This is the place of ones. This is tens, hundreds and thousands. Then when we add any number, we must add from ones place. Okay, then we must add from ones place. Then look at here, 4,000 plus 250. 4,000 plus 250. Look at here. Then I will add it now. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. Then you already know about here a 0 is here. Am I right? Okay. Then listen. 4 plus 0, 4. Then what is the answer? 4,250. Then look at here. 4,000 plus 250 is equal to 4,250. Okay. Then next I will write a 2-digit number here. Then where I write it here? Yes, in ones place, from ones place. Okay. Then 20. This is a 2-digit number. 20. This is a 2-digit number. Then look at here. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. Then 0. Next 3. Then look at the next one. 6,000 plus. Here, which number now we use here? Which number use here? Yes, any 1-digit number. Okay, listen. I will choose 2. Okay, 2. Okay, this is a 1-digit number. Then we will add it. 0 plus 2, 2. Next 0, 0, 6. Then what is the answer? 6,002. Okay, 6,000 plus 2 is equal to 6,002. Next 3,000 plus 20 is equal to 3,020. Then first one 4,200. 4,000 plus 250 is equal to 4,250. Then I will give you one more work for you. Okay, then look at here. It is the work for you. Then all of you write it in your notebook and find out the answer and do one more examples like this. Okay, are you ready? Okay, then all of you take your textbook now. Page number. All of you take your math textbook and take your math notebook also. Okay, then take page number 16. Page number 16. Read that passage. Bicycles. Bicycles. Okay, do you know what is bicycles? Yes, all of you know that. Now listen. I just read it now. Abu, Johnny and Balu bought bicycles. Abu, Johnny and Balu bought bicycles. Okay. The price of Abu's bicycle 3,250. Price of Abu's bicycle 3,250. Then listen, he gave 3,000 rupees. Okay, listen here. Abu's, what is the cost of Abu's bicycle? What is the cost of Abu's bicycle? 3,250. 3,000. Listen here. 3,250 is the cost of Abu's bicycle. 3,250 is the cost of Abu's bicycle. Okay, listen. And look at here. How many thousand rupees in Abu's bicycle? How many thousand rupees here? Oh, say, yes, 1, 2, 3. 3,000 rupees. Then how many 100 rupees here? 200 rupees. Then how many 10 rupees here? How many 10 rupees here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 rupees here. Okay, then listen. We want to find out what is the total. Okay, then listen. 1,000, 3,000. 1,000 plus 1,000. Okay, 1,000 plus 1,000. Listen here. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2,000. Then we have one more 1,000 here. Then we want to add it. Then listen, 1,000. 2,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 2,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Then what is the total? 3,000. What is the total? 3,000. Then you already know 100 plus 100. What is 100 plus 100? 200. 100 plus 100. 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Okay, then listen, how many tens is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens is here. Then what is the 5 tens is equal to 50. 5 tens is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, then listen here. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 50 rupees. Then we want to find out its total. We want to find out its total. 3,000 plus 200 plus 50. Then all of you look at here very carefully. Then I just erase it. Listen here. 3,000 plus 200 plus 50. Okay. Then 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5. Then 0 plus 2, 2. Then next 3. Then what is the total? 3,250. Then look at here. What is the cost of Abu's bicycle? Then look at your textbook also. What is the cost of Abu's bicycle? 3,250. Then once again, can you say how many? I just plug it here from. Then how many thousands in 3,250? How many thousands? Yes. How many thousands? 3,000. Then how many hundreds? 200s. Then how many 10 rupees? Yes, 5, 10 rupees. Okay. Then next one. Who is next? Look at your textbook now. Johnny gave 3,000 rupee notes, 400 rupee notes and 5 10 rupee notes. Okay, look at here. Look at here, all of you look at here. Okay, then all of you look at your textbook. Who is next? Johnny. Listen, who is next? Johnny. Then what is the cost of Johnny's bicycle? We want to find out it. Okay, listen. Then how many 1,000 rupees notes he gave? How many 1,000 rupees notes? 1, 2, 3,000 rupee notes he gave. Next, how many 100 rupee notes? 1, 2, 3, 400 rupee notes he gave. Then next, what is next? How many 10 rupee notes? How many 10 rupee notes? 5 10 rupee notes he gave. Okay, listen here. 3,000 rupee notes, 400 rupee notes and 5 10 rupee notes. And now we will find out its answer. What is the total cost of Johnny's bicycle? What is the total cost of Johnny's bicycle? Listen here. 3,000. 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000. Then what is the answer? 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000. You already know that. What is the answer? 3,000. 3,000 rupees. Then how many hundreds is here? 4 hundreds. Listen here. 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. Then listen. What is the total? 400 is 400. 400 is 400. Then how many tens is here? 5 tens. Look at here. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 50. Okay, then listen. Thousands 3,000, 100 400, tens 5 tens is equal to 50. Okay, then we want to find out the total. 3,000 plus 400 plus 50. Listen here. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. Then next one. 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0. Yes. 4. Then next 3. 3,450. What is the answer? 3,450. What is the price of Johnny's bicycle? What is the price of Johnny's bicycle? 3,000. Listen, 3,450 rupees. 3,450 rupees is the cost of Johnny's bicycle. Then all of you write it in your textbook and notebook also. Then can you see a small and big box there? Then there in figures you can write in figures there, and you can write words also. 3,450. How can we write it? Listen here. 3,000. Listen here. 3,000. 450. Then don't write it 15. Okay, 15 is equal to 15 is, this is 15. So you don't write like this, write 50. Okay, just read it now. 3,450. 3,450. Okay. Okay, listen. I will show you one thing for you. Okay, look at here. What is this? Do you know what is this? Say, yes, it is number pocket. It is number pocket. Okay, then I say you place value. Okay, look at here. Place value ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Look at here. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. And I just paste it here. We know what is the cost of Abu's bicycle. What is the cost of Abu's bicycle? 3,250. 3,250. Okay. Then I will show you that number in this number pocket. Okay. I will show you this number in this number pocket. Look at here. Which number is in ones place? Which number is in ones place? Which number? 0. 0 is in ones place. Look at here. 0. 0 is in ones place. Next, then which number is in tens place? Which number is in tens place? Yes, 5 is in tens place. Listen here. 5 is in tens place. Then next, which number is in hundreds place? Look at here. 2. Okay. 2 is in hundreds place. Next, thousands place. 3. Thousands place. 3. Then all of you read this number now. 3,000. Listen. 3,250. 3,250. Listen here. in ones place there is 0. No number is there. Okay, no number is there. Only 0 is here. Then tens place 5, hundreds place 2, then thousands place 3. Okay, then which number is this? 3250. 3250. Then I will show you next number, Johnny's bicycle. Then what is the cost of Johnny's bicycle? What is the cost of Johnny's bicycle? Say, what is the cost of Johnny's bicycle? 3450. 3450. Okay, listen here. 3450 is the cost of Johnny's bicycle. Then which number is in ones place? Which number is in ones place? Yes, 0 is in ones place. Next, tens place. 5 is in tens place. Hundreds place. Hundreds place. Yes, 4 is in hundreds place. Then what about thousands place? 3. 3 is in thousands place. Then read this number now. Which number is this? 3450. 3450. Okay. Then I will show you next number. All of you say which number is that. Okay, I will show you next number. Then all of you say which number is that. Listen here. I put 8 in ones place. Next, 3 in tens place. 2 in hundreds place. Then 7 in thousands place. Can you read this number? Can you read this number? Yes or no? Yes. Which number is this? Which number is this? 7238. 7238. 7238. Okay. Then I will give you one more work for you. Listen. 9258. This is the number 9258. Then all of you make a number pocket like this. All of you make a number pocket like this, and you can choose any number and put it like this and find out its place and learn place value. Okay, all of you ready for that? If you have any doubt about this number pocket, you can call me. Okay, then listen. All of you look at your textbook now. Okay, read that next one. Babu bought a seat cover. Babu bought a seat cover and a bell also. Babu bought a seat cover and bell also. The total price was 4,265. The total price 4,265. Look at here. Total price of Babu's bicycle is, total price of Babu's bicycle is 4,265. He bought a seat cover also, you know. He bought a seat cover also. Then we will put this number in number pocket. Look at here. Which number is in ones place? Which number is in ones place? Which number? Yes, 5. Then which number is in tens place? 6 is in tens place. Then which number is in hundreds place? 2 is in hundred place. Then which number is in thousands place? 4 is in thousands place. Then which just read this number now. 4,265. 4,265. Look at here. Total price of Babu's bicycle and seat cover is 4,265. Then once again, what is the cost of Abu's bicycle? What is the cost of Abu's bicycle? 3,250. Then what is the cost of Johnny's bicycle? 3,450. Then what is the cost of Babu's bicycle and seat cover? 4,265. Okay, all of you understand it? Then all of you read and write it very well. Okay. Okay, then all of you look at the board. Can you see a flower here? Yes, a big flower is here. Then look at the center number, 4,265. What is this? Yes, Babu's bicycles and seat covers cost. Okay, 4,265. Then we just shuffle it like this. Look at here. I wrote here ones, hundreds, ones, and in a petal, 1,000, 100, tens, ones, and next petal, thousands, tens, and ones only, and the next petal, hundreds, tens, ones only. Okay, listen here. Then 4,265. This is 4,265. Then how many 1 rupee coins in 4,265? How many ones in 4,265? How many ones or how many 1 rupee coins can we make 4,265? How many? Yes, 4,265 coins make 4,265. Okay, then how many ones is here? How many ones? 4,265. Listen here, 4,265 ones. 4,265 ones. 4,265 ones in 4,265. Then next one, listen the next one. 42 hundreds is here. 42 hundreds. 42 hundreds. Then next, how many ones is here? 42 hundreds already written here. Then how many ones is here? How many ones? Look at this number, center number. 42 hundreds. 42 hundreds. Then how many remaining here? How many? 65. 65 remaining here. Then how many ones is here? Okay, say 65 ones is here. 65 ones is here. Okay, then 42 hundreds and 65 ones make 4,265. Look at here. 42 times we want to add hundreds. 42 times we want to add hundreds. 42 times we want to add hundreds. Then it is 42 hundreds make 4,200. Then 65 ones make 65. 65 ones make 65. Okay, then what is the total now? 4,200 plus 65. So 4,200 plus 65. 0 plus 5, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 2 and 4. 4,265. Look at here. This and this number is same. Okay. Then look at the next one. How many tens in 4,265? How many tens in 4,265? Look at here. 4,265. How many tens? 426 tens. 426 tens. Okay, listen here very carefully. All of you listen here very carefully. Okay, 426 tens. 426 tens make 426 tens make 4,260. 4,260. Then how many remaining here? Look at here. How many? 5 ones. Look at here. 5 ones. 5 ones make 5 ones make 5. 5 ones make 5. Then what is the total? 4,260 plus 5. 4,260 plus 5. 0 plus 5, 5, 6, 4. Okay, 4000. This and this number is same. Now look at here. Next one. How many thousands in 4265? We already find out its answer. Listen here. How many thousands? First we start from ones place. Then how many ones in 4265? How many ones? Listen, how many ones? 5 ones. How many ones? 5 ones. We just write it here. 5 ones. Okay, 5 ones. Then how many tens? In which number is in tens place? 6. Which number is in tens place? 6. Listen here. 6. Tens place 6. Then which number is in hundreds place? Hundreds place? Look at here. Which number is in hundreds place? 2. Which number is in hundreds place? 2. Listen here. Now 2. Then which number is in thousands place? 4. This is the place of thousand. Thousands place 4. Look at here. Thousands place 4. Then 4 in ones place 5, tens place 6, hundreds place 2 and thousand place 4. Okay, then listen, look at the next one. Thousands, tens and ones only. Thousands, tens and ones only. Then look at here 4000. We already write 4000 here. Then how many tens is here? How many tens is here? Say. Yes, 26 tens. 26 tens is here. 26 tens. Next, how many ones? 5 ones. 5 ones. Okay, then 4000, 26 tens, 5 ones make 4265. Then what about here? 6 tens, 5 ones. Then how many hundreds? Listen, 5 ones. Okay, 5 ones is here, then 6 tens is here, then what is remaining here? 42. What is remaining here? 40. Now 42 hundreds here. Okay, then listen, all of you listen here once again. Look at first, look this at first. 4200, 6 tens, 5 ones. Next one. 426 tens, 5 ones. Next one, 4265 ones. Next, 4265 ones. Next one, 4200s, 6 tens, 5 ones. The last one, 4000s, 26 tens, 5 ones. Okay, then we can write any number like this in a different ways. We can write any number like this in different ways. Okay, then I will give you 3 numbers like this. Then all of you write it in your notebook and draw like this and find out its answer in your notebook. Okay, are you ready? Okay, listen, all of you look at here. This is the another work for you. Then which is the center number here? 2346. Then I wrote like this: ones, hundreds, ones, then thousands, tens, ones, then hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, then all of you read it and draw it in your notebook like this. Then you can draw these numbers also. Okay. 4200, 9258, 6528. Then all of you draw this in your notebook and write these 3 numbers also like this. Okay, are you ready? Then all of you learn it very well in your home and stay safe, stay home. Thank you. We will meet again.